Hello everyone, let me take this opportunity to welcome you to this session. I'm your trainer Maurice Monene. For this is for the beginners, for those who are introducing themselves to the new operating system, that is the Windows 11. For those who are in my package class, so the first thing is for us to see what is new in this Windows 11, what is different from the Windows 10. So in the previous video, we had our start menu around here at the beginning, but in this current one, we have the start menu at the middle here. And also, so you can see the arrangement along this taskbar, it's around here below. So in the previous versions of the Windows that we had, it was here at the beginning, but you can see now what we had there is the widget. And then here at the middle we have the beginning. So you can see here at the middle, you can see around the taskbar here we have here the start menu. Then here we have the search area where you can type anything that you want to get from your computer. And also here you can see here we have the different desktops that you can set depending on which you're using. Currently we are in this, and also you can change from that maybe to the other one, and depending on how you want. And then here you can connect to various people using the chats or using the video. And remember this is, and here you can see we have the file explorer where you can click like that and get to where your hard disk is or where your folders are stored. Then here you can see you can connect to various Microsoft stores, and here we have the pinned application. Then here on the other sides we have the video recordings and all those kind of things, including the batteries and all kind. So that is the different parts of the taskbar. You can also right click, open the taskbar settings like this, and here you have the taskbar. You can see all those which are opened depending on what you want to access. You can also turn on these buttons depending on, you can see even our search box, we can hide it from the taskbar. So anything that we want to be seen under the icon, we just turn it on from this side, and also the other system settings. And then apart from that, we also see there are some things also that are the programs that are running at the background. So you can right click and see what's running and our task manager here. You can have more items and see all these are the items that are running at the background here. Remember, you can terminate the processes by just clicking on it, and then you can end the task around here. So in case maybe your machine is hanging, or maybe it's not near to terminate a process or a program that is running, and you feel that it is slowing down your computer, you can just right click. You can just come here around here, right click, then open the task manager. Then from here you can click at it, and then you can end the task. You will see if I click on any process that is running, the end task here becomes active, so you can just click there and then you can end. So then another thing, you have the start button here. Remember, around this start button here, you can if you click on it here, you can see there are various applications that are launched. If the application is not here, you can just click on me all apps, and you can be able to access from here. You can also search from here if you cannot locate it like that. And also you can press the window key on your keyboard, and still you will have this. If there is an application that is not appearing here, remember you can pin it here. Maybe for example, we can have something like the publisher is not appearing here, this publisher, and then you can pin it to start like that. You click just pin to start, and then now if I again click my start button here. You can see I have the publisher here, which is pinned to start. Alternatively, I can click on it like that, and then I can also pin it to the taskbar. So you can see now it comes here to the taskbar as a point as a just by clicking at it like that. It's just I can be able to learn it very fast from that point. So that's also another feature that has been added to this. If for example I changes my mind and then I feel that it is not good for it to appear here as a button, I just right click on it and then I unpin it from the taskbar like that, and then it disappears. Then you can see here at this point here, this corner we can have the recommended apps, and then here you can have the accounts. Here you can either change your account settings, you can either sign out, or you can lock your accounts. And then on the other side here, you can either click on that, and then you can either restart your machine or power off the machine, depending on what you feel. Then here we have the desktop here. This is the desktops with different icons appearing on this desktop. If for example there is anything that you want to add here, you can either right click on it, you can add a new file like that, you can add a folder like that. If you don't want the folder, you can rename it by start typing. If you don't want it, you can right click on it, and then you can either delete it like that. And then remember, there is also another unique feature or icon that appears here, which is called a recycle bin. If you have deleted something, it comes direct to the recycle bin. Either you can restore it, or you can completely delete it by right clicking, and then you will click on the delete like that, and then you click on delete like that. So now it's permanently deleted from our computer. So these are different icons that appears here and folders. So you can just right click them, you can click on view, then you can have small icons, you can see them changing. Then you can have them view in the large icons like that. You can click on that, you can view them according to the medium. You can click like that, you can sort them, you can refresh if there is anything new that you've done. You can also click here and do some settings on the brightness or anything the system displays that you feel. You can also have to change the screen how it appears, but for it's better you use the recommended one. If there is anything that you want to personalize, you can personalize here like that. And here you can have different, like this is the theme that is already appearing. You can be able to change from different, you can even put different backgrounds here. You can either browse the photo from your computer to put it as your desktop or as the background image. You can choose it to fill the whole screen or do that. That's how you can customize different ways of your maybe different ways of your desktop. Remember, you can create either a new file or a folder. If you create a new file, maybe Microsoft Word like that, you can drag it and drop it anywhere. Depending on how you feel, you can right click on it, show more options. You can either copy from here, you can either copy, it means that you're going to retain a copy from here and then you can send it to different paths. You can either send it to another maybe disk that you put, if it is a flash disk or that. You can create a shortcut maybe for a folder, for a file, or maybe for a website. If there is anything, you can click on the properties. Also, you can see the properties and you see the file, where the directory where it is stored, all these kind of things you can be able to apply from here. I think that one gives us a very good brief introduction of these new ways that you're going to interact it as you partake your module on this package. And thus bring us to the end of this session. I was your trainer, Maurice Munene. If you found this video of importance, please consider subscribing, like, and share for more information. Thank you.